Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Who's ready for the market for today? Guys, before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes. And of course, we're not financial advisors, so always do you due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it and discuss the market, everybody. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So what we've got, I think we got a few stocks to watch here. Beyond Meat, one of them. Let's take this out. Welcome, everybody. Yes, Beyond Meat looking all right. 55% for today. It is, yeah, pulling back now because almost hit the resistance on the 124. We got Runny looking great as well. We did a short update for it early on. This one from the last week, guys, is still looking great. YGMZ, the same, did a really good job from reversing from this bottom. So we're going to discuss it as well. VIVK might be good for today if we broke the current resistance. And of course, MMA did a really good job of jumping almost 40%. We discussed this one in the pre-market as well. It was a really great entry and exit for us. So guys, let's get right to it. Welcome everybody, wherever you are. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got Beyond Meat, RDHL, Unicorn, Martin Abolo, welcome. George, LAES. I will check LAES, brother, for you. Wait a second. Let me just bring everything. Okay. LAES, George, I think it's been a while last time we discussed LAES. Was one of the top gainer before. Yeah, 10% and now 4%. Yeah, not bad for now. We have the $7.74 for a resistance. Support it is around the 654. We have another level around the 850 if we want to squeeze. For now, we need to hold over the 650, brother. But yeah, not bad for today. LAES. RDHL. Is it unicorn? Because I think we already traded before. Yes, it's unicorn for today. RDHL looking great. I think it just came right now because I didn't see it early on. Now we got a little bit of pullback for RDHL. I'm gonna keep it on the main list as well. We have two support around the 207 and 168. Now hit the resistance around the $3. RDHL, we're gonna keep it on the main list, guys. Now it's pulling back a bit. Let us see again if we got something else. Yeah, we got DHAI have a reverse split, Sense have a reverse split, ETHZ reverse split. We got Rebel. REBL as well hitting the scan. I'm gonna double check if it's good. Yeah, it is good. REBL looking fantastic. But it almost hit the $10 psychological level. Now it is pulling back. We have a strong support around the $8. This one will be great for a dip reversal, for my opinion. For now, if it's held over the 9, would be great. Otherwise, I will watch for the 8. Look fantastic so far. Yeah, it look really good. Might give us over the 10, which is the psychological level to go to. Yeah, Rebel could be the Rebel for today. Yeah, we got a Rebel, RDHL are the top for today because they just came, and Beyond Meat. Ronnie maybe later, yes, because it is, yeah, look okay, but not completely okay. YGMZ, I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. What else we got here? We got RAPT, maybe RAPT. RAPT 56%. You are welcome, George. Mohammed AZTR, will check it for you. Beyond Vegetarian Apes. The vegetarian apes are real restless. Yeah, apes are everywhere. Um, yeah, so RAPT, I don't like it that much, man. So we only have Rubble and RDHL to watch. What a day, man, we gonna have. Today should be active day. Yeah, it is earning season, guys. It is earning season. So this week we have a lot of volatility for mini stocks because it's earning season. You know what does mean? Beyond Meat. 24% last Friday and now 54%. Interesting. Okay, let me just check the market. Yeah, today mini stock reporting earnings after hours. Yes, after hours, and maybe tomorrow. Yeah, Netflix tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have some action, real good action starting from tomorrow. And Tesla is Wednesday, reporting earnings Thursday or Wednesday. Intel on Thursday. So every day we have a big stock reporting earnings. But for now, let us keep watching and focusing on RDHL, guys. RDHL, we have humongous seller around the $3. We have a huge pullback toward the $2. Could be interesting for a dip reversal entry. For now, I'm watching two stocks, Rebel, RDHL, for interesting reversal. Yeah, Rebel looking great. Muhammad AZTR, is it unicorn? I will double check it if it's in unicorn. AZTR. What's going on with this one? Yeah, we got the 109. We got the 126. Yeah, AZTR, yes, is a unicorn, but I won't keep it on the main list. Yeah, it pulled back a lot. I will keep it just in case if we held at the market open, brother, over the 87. If it held that, it could be good for entry, for a reversal from there. Because now it got a seller around the 109, yes. A resistant profit taking. So AZTR not completely bad. It is on the top main list as well for today. $85% still AZTR. I'm gonna put it with Ronnie and the other. Yeah, Ronnie will keep it on the waiting list as well here. Open, nothing much happening. Open is just 1% in the pre-market. I wanted to go down a little bit for a dip entry. KMX, we got a little bit of reversal. Yeah, Ethereum trying to reverse here. Watching Ethereum, we got a bit of breakout here. Tesla currently holding the gain over the 400. It is around the all-time high here. It's nearly the 500 euros. Plug is the same. Try to go over the 4. However, yeah, from the last dip, currently holding an interesting dip around the $3. What's going on with Neo? Neo pulled back last week, just near the support here, the $6. So far, so good. If we held the 6 and broke the 7 for Neo, not bad. I think we got some news for Neo 3 days ago. So Rebel just hit the scan almost 2 hours ago. We got price target been raised from neutral to outperform for Rebel. FDA acceptance for myeloma treatment. Nice. We have FDA, of course, FDA approval or acceptance for myeloma treatment or cancer treatment for the eye, I think. So yeah, this biotech company have FDA acceptance, which make it the best candidate to look at and look for today. GSIT, nice, GSIT. Thank you for Martin Apollo. GSIT, I will check it right now. Sorry, I didn't check the live chat. GSIT, I will check it right now. Holy bologna, 48% and jumping. Yes, 48%. Broke out from the 683, going toward the 9. Yes, GSIT. Thank you, Martin. Martin, one of our members who watching the market closely and notify us about stock we didn't see. Good, man. Good. We got an eagle for the market with us. We are good. Martin Apollo doing the scanning for us. Okay, for today. It's really hard to maintain all the stocks or check all the markets. So thank you, brother, for keep an eye on the markets. Yeah, GSIT, guys. 50% madness. We got the madness stock here. Okay, so 60 should you... Interesting. Yes. So we got a target just near the $10. Now have to hold over the 680 to go higher. And we got a bit of seller around the 790. Yeah, 790 should be a good resistant to pull back from. Yeah, another test, guys. Another test for this stock. Another test. Another test. Yeah, we got a huge jump for this stock, guys. Watch out. We got 2 minutes left, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified next time we go live, guys. We got 1 minute left. 1 minute left, guys, at the market open. And okay, as we said, watch out for the market open. We got a few seconds left. And the AZTR, let me just check this one. Yes, it's pulling back down a bit. So I'm gonna have a reverse split. I'm gonna take it from the list. Okay. The market is open. Watch out, guys. We've got MMA. This one pharmaceutical stock have a huge news, and of course, a partnership that actually have the catalyst that made the price actually jump pretty nicely here around the $2. This one reverse and now is about to break again this $1.69. So I'm gonna put another resistance here. So the resistance now is around the 176. So MMA guys, the mixed martial art, everybody knows MMA. So have a new IPO this year, I think, and now is recovering up around the $2. As you can see here in the big picture, the IPO was, I think, this last year in March. The price of the IPO was around the $5. We might retest the 5, so this is will be almost 100% in gain for this year if we held the $1.27. And you see what's happened here, guys. We have a huge wick before the market open or after 30 minutes from, of course, doing the update for this stock, because we did update for it on the unicorn hunt today on our Discord. And as you can see here, we already discussed this stock and we said the first profit taken, of course, it is around the 169 and the 199. As you can see here, 199 as profit taken, and we went there and now we are pulling back. So we're kind of triggered the profit taken around the $2.10 and we pulled back. So we already hit the second profit taken as we suggest on our Discord, and then we pulled back from this level. And of course, now is recovering up. The major news for this one, of course, why we actually jumped. We have um, okay, so we got this distribution agreement with Mac. The stock completing its top tier national network for lymphoma, FDA approved immunotherapy for the T cell lymphoma. This is by far the three major distribution on board and commercial launch set for Q4 2024. So now it's fully positioned to generate its first commercial revenue from therapy targeting 400 million unserved market. So this is a major near-term catalyst for the stock, guys. We have a huge jump for this stock after this news. And now we have another buyer over the support that we discussed earlier, guys, over the 127. So now we have a little bit of recovery because we have a big seller. Now recovery going back up. So I'm watching the 176, which is the current seller price and the squeeze zone, for my opinion. Beyond Meat, what's going on with Beyond Meat? 55 didn't break yet, guys. Didn't break our resistance yet. RDHL, let's see, I think it's pulling back down here. Yeah, it pulled back a lot, RDHL. Yeah, I'm taking it from the list for now. And checking Rebel. Rebel looking all right because it is near the 976, the breakout zone, from my opinion, for a squeeze. And GSIT is halted up, guys. GSIT currently halted up over the 970. So we got a major level to test for GSIT around the $10. Now let us go back to MMA. Is 9%. He's trying to take this seller around almost the 177. If we did, would be a great for this stock. KMX still light on action. Is nothing happening here. Tesla, AMD, Plug 5%, and SMCI 7%. Those the top gainer on our the swing list for us for today. We have a huge gap for Plug. SMCI still going strong. Yeah, still going strong up, reversing from the October dip. For crypto, nothing much happening here. I think we're still below the resistance. Let's see. Yeah, the 4,000 something. Yeah, the 4,000 something. 4,000. Going back to check MMA, if we started to move. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. BETR emoji trader. BETR. We have a question from one of our traders. BETR. I'll check it for you. For now, let's see. BETR 15%, 44 worth of volume is halted, I think. No? Are we halted or are we just light on volume? I think we got seller brother around the 74.93. Current support for it is around the 48.17 and profit taking is around the 94. If we broke the current resistance that we about to test around the 75. I'm gonna double check for you if we're halted right now or not. GSIT unhalted, IMPP is halted. No, we're not halted. Okay, IMPP is currently halted. But yeah, BETR, watch out for the 75.19, brother. Is about to be tested right now. And the current support bottom is the 48. And the other profit taken is the 94. IMPP, on the other hand, is halted up, guys. Yeah, but light on volume. Have earnings coming up, I think. IMPP might be good for later. For now, I will keep watching GSIT because now it's pulling back after down halting, guys. Yes, we almost tested the 9, but now I think it is halted. No, it's about to get halted down. So the current resistance is just below the 9. So GSIT, watch out, guys. It's pulling back a lot. Rebel, nothing much. Yeah, tested the resistance and now it's kind of pulling back. Rebel, I will currently watch the support over the $8.11 if we pull back. Beyond Meat, guys, is kind of testing the support now around the 91. Watch out, guys. MMA is started to move up after this huge dip. It started to move 12%. MMA was on our list today, guys, before the market opened, once the price was around the 143, just here. We suggest for entry exit around the 160, 170, and the 199. And now is jumping 15% up again. This one is not available in Europe, guys, if you live in Europe. If you live in the United States, I think it's available. But yeah, this one is about to retest the $1.76. Beyond Meat have a huge news, as we said, guys. That's why jumping up fantastically in the pre-market. Good afternoon, John. How are you doing? When will this open be up again? Great question. Great question. I will check it right now. BETR already discussed it, brother. Open is kind of calling up, brother, right now. He's moving, but this is not the right move. As we said, we need to break the 809 or go toward the 571, either to trigger big buyer or big seller. Because right now we didn't trigger any one of them because we are in between heaven and hell. There is no right move yet. So for now, GSIT pulled back from the resistance, currently holding 15% for MMA. Not bad move in the pre-market, guys. Not bad move for today. Beyond Meat, nothing much. Rebel and GSIT, yeah, nothing much is pulling back. Let us check the top gainers for today if we got something. Rebel, we got CELC. I was watching it in the pre-market, but you see, I don't like what's going on here. It's a bit light on action. Take a bit of time for reversal. GSIT, Rani. Yeah, Rani looking great here. Yeah, it's currently looking great. Yeah, I will check the market later because right now is a bit slow. Yeah, Beyond Meat guys currently holding down near the support. So the strongest now, yeah, we got GSIT is trying to retest the level after the unhalting. We got another question, updated chart on Rani when you have the chance. Rani, guys, we got another question about updated chart for Rani. Rani, not bad, brother. Look really great. The $2.38, if you can hear me, brother, the $2.38 is the level that we should watch out for a breakout. As you can see here from the chart, we still currently holding this ascending channel, which is the support. Currently holding the support 186 or 189. We need to break this level, guys, the $2.39 to go up at least around the 167. And then maybe if we still have the strength, we could go toward the $3.19. So yeah, watch out for the $2.39 to break and go toward the 268 and the $3.19. But now watch out for the main support, which will trigger a massive selling pressure if we broke it, which is the 194. Yes, 194. I don't know if you want to the chart, brother, or you're okay. It tries already saw already check our perfect our update. So going back to GSIT, which now nearly the breakout zone, guys. GSIT looking fantastic here, for my opinion, for a breakout. GSIT, we might get halted again, or we're already halted around the $8.88. Oh, yes. $8.88. I think we're halted, guys. GSIT is currently halted with Hound. GSIT with Hound. What a crazy stock Honda is, man. Let's see. GSIT is the strongest, 74. No, Honda is halted down, guys. It's game over for it. GSIT is good. Rebel is currently still good because reversing from this support. Or, yeah, reversing early from the support over the $8. Okay. Rebel, not bad. Beyond Meat is pulling back down. If we pull back from the 91, I will pull the plug from Rebel or from Beyond Meats. Is a bit weaker side here, Beyond Meats. The stronger side is Rebel and GSIT, which halted right now, guys, around the $8.88. This is the magic number, $8.88 right now. It means we got a sign from the angels to trade this one. $8.88 exactly. $8.88 haltation. What a magic number. Morning, Suzanne. BURU, it's been a while. Can you do okay, John asked about the unicorn for today. This is will be a good segment to add to our list here. The unicorn for today, John, is GSIT, Rebel. Second one, we got Beyond Meat. If we held the support, let's see. Yeah, Beyond Meat is a bit weaker side. But MMA looking great, brother, as well. If we held the con support, which already held over that $1.27. So those the top three, from my opinion: GSIT, Rebel, and MMA. Those the main taken open from the list. Those the main stock for today, guys. The main unicorn. For Rebel, have to break the 976 to go toward the $10.30 and hold over the 8. GSIT right now is halted around the $8.88. If we broke the over that, is mean we're gonna go toward the 10. And keep your eyes close to the $7.35, because if we broke it, it will be game over. For now, MMA, we have a huge seller that might cover up around the 177. If we broke this level, would be great for MMA to go toward the $2 again. MMA looking great. With many catalysts, and of course, if the approval and of nice jump in the pre-market, almost 35%, is a really good candidate to watch for today. We got another stock, Move, is being halted, but I doubt it is halted up. I think it's maybe halted down. Yeah, I think, yeah. I know it just from the name, is dead. GSIT currently halted, guys. Halted up in the sky. GSIT halted up in the sky. I forget Suzanne. Suzanne asked about BURU. We'll check BURU right now for you, Suzanne. I forget because we got a lot of stocks to cover. BURU, it is in green side, just 2%. And I know why you asked me, because it's been really good in the technical, because we kind of have a breakout here for BURU, but now is a bit slow. So I'm gonna lower the resistance, the new resistance around the 38. Keep your eyes closed to the 38, Suzanne, because if we broke it, we got a chance to go toward the 43 and the 50 cent at least. For now, keep your eyes tight and close toward the 30 cents. If we broke it, it means we're gonna have a huge dive toward the 20. Simple and straightforward for BURU. Simple and straightforward. If something complicated, guys, is mean either you don't know about it and you need a bit of time to understand it, or it is not good at all and a lie. So you don't have to bother by understanding it. Simple as that. This is how life is simple, guys. Even in math, in physics, whatever, if something complicated to explain to 5 years old, this means your theory is wrong or need to be like adjusted or change it entirely to make it simpler, because the simple or simplicity is the definition of the truth. Something complicated is mean it is a lie. GSIT, guys, holy baloney, look at that. It tested the $10 from the $8.88 and just humongous jump toward the $10. Oh man, now we should see a bit of pullback because it's kind of overextended here. Would be really good if we pull back. Would be perfect if we pull back, because now it is too dangerous for entry. Beyond Meat, yes, it is getting ripped apart. Now is Beyond Bone. Beyond Bones, not Beyond Meat. There is no meat anymore to eat. Yeah, the short sellers just ate this meat. Now they left us with bones. So yeah, we got 3 now. Rebel preparing to retest the 10. GSIT preparing to go to the 11. Yeah, broke the 10. Now going toward the 11.30. And MMA, the same, is preparing to go toward the 2. Those the majestic stocks to watch. Let's see. What else we got? What else we got here? Yeah, interesting. This is for today. Let's see if we got, yeah, GSIT currently is the strongest. Yes, there's no match for this stock strength. This semiconductor stock, guys. Whoa, semiconductor stock coming. Everybody, I think, um, going on and buying this one because they don't want to miss the same like what happened for AMD and Nvidia. So everybody, I think, compare it to Nvidia because it's the same kind of sector, semiconductors, and the market cap is really small comparing to Nvidia, which is trillion of dollars, and this one is just 300 million. So you see, guys, we have a lot of traders watching this one closely. And it's still on the strong buy. I think we halted again, guys, for GSIT around the 111. Yeah, we halted again. Madness in the market, guys. Madness is in the market right now. We got FOMO buying for GSIT now. Good morning, Anchary. Poll today, please. I will check it. GSIT, Falahala, blue sky. No, man, there's no blue sky in the space. It's dark. Say dark skies right now. GSIT going to another galaxy. Interstellar right now is outside our Milky Way. There is no blue sky in the in the universe, man. It's black. Blue is just reflection of light. Blue is not the truth. Black is the true color. Blue is not real, man. There is no blue. Blue, not real color. Some of you will say black is not even a color. Welcome, everybody. Welcome again. That's a reminder. We always go live, guys, every day to discuss the market. Today, we discuss few stocks. Every day, we discuss the market 30 minutes before the market open on Discord and Patreon. Earlier in the pre-market, we do our update, of course, in the pre-market. One of the update that we did today before the market opened was a really great trade for our hunters is MMA. Mixed martial arts stock that have IPO last year have huge humongous jump from the 143 until the $2, and we discussed this one early on in our Discord. We said the entry, it is just below the $1.60, I think, and of course here the entry and here the exit around the $2. And now it's putting back. Again, this update, we did it 30 minutes before this jump, of course, on our unicorn hunt. We're gonna do another update later on after we finish this live streaming. So if you want to have access to this update, as we did early on here, guys, on our Discord, as you can see here, really simple. We said the first profit taken, it is around 169, and the second is around the 199. We went over the $2. And we updated this before the market opened by 1 hour and a half. And yeah, after 30 minutes, the price jumped really quick here, really fast. We went from the 140 or 146, yes, until here. We did 40%, guys, in just 1 minute. Madness. And now it's reversing again. So we're gonna do update later on for MMA, Rebel, and GSIT. Those are the top stocks for today. So keep your eyes on the update. So if you have, or if you are one of our Discord members, make sure to put notification on because, yeah, you have to be quick on those stocks. It's really active and Yeah, once they jump, they will leave you behind. So be ready for the update later on for those stocks. GSIT, guys, is currently halted right now. Mm. Okay, anyway, guys, let's update you later on about the markets. Of course, so we're gonna do a major update for the market for those stocks, GSIT and the rest. And for now, I'll see you all back by tomorrow, of course, to discuss the market in depth. About where the entry, where the exit, especially for GSIT, because it's right now is broke the 1130 and going higher over that. So guys, thank you for watching, and of course, see you all by tomorrow to discuss the market. And of course, I'm gonna update later on about the other stocks in our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and see you.